Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload your own background for your desktop wallpaper in Canva. First of all, let's start with a blank one. We have nothing in here and we want to upload something. We have to go to the left corner of our screen for upload, and you can just upload image, video or audio. And they want us just to drag from your desktop. I'll drag this one from my other monitor. We have to give it a time until the download is complete. And when we click on it, it appears on our screen. This is a basic format. If we want to stretch it, we have to go like this. We have to make sure that the quality of the picture is really high, and it won't be blurry once we stretch it or fit it to the screen that we actually own or we actually have. Once we are here, we can go to, for example, texts, and if we want to make it like, I don't know, some motivational speech or give it a little glow, it doesn't matter. We can just tweak it how we want. And once we're done and satisfied with our wallpaper, we just press download and we download the image. That's about it. I think it's very easy. And once again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.